Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice Bar channel is amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipes and ideas. I'm always doing all different kind of juice, all different kind of recipe. You know what I mean? Telling my fans how you can lose weight and detox in your body. But I want to say something to you. 95% of cucumber is water. We all know that 95% of cucumber is water. The other 5%, 5 on the seed bits and pieces. You know what I mean? But I have a bottle of water with me right here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be cutting a few slices of this cucumber. Alright? I'm going to show you how much slices I'm going to put inside of this bottle of water. Alright guys, so basically I'm putting... Alright, let's do it to show you guys. A little bit too much water. So this is going to be 1 slice, 2 slice, 3 slice, 4 slices of water, cucumber, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. And I'm going to put half of a lemon inside of the water like this. When you do that, put this in your fridge and leave it for the morning and drink it the first thing in the morning. This one can help you to detox your body and also help you to clean out your immune system, as I always say in my video them. Give it a try, give it a go. It may not work for you, but it may work for someone else. Like how it's coming up to spring. It's spring now, it's gonna come up to summer. The weather is changing. It's good to detox your body in this time of weather. I want you to make this one at home, guys, and hopefully you will like it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest update. This one I will be drinking it first thing in the morning. Really nice. I want you guys to try this one at home and detox your body and also help you to lose weight and all these things. It's very, very good for you. It's good for you to do your own research. You can type in on Google what cucumber is for, what water is for, what lemon is for. It's good to do some research. But try and drink this one at home first thing in the morning and a empty stomach when you wake up. Or you can drink it straight through the day and you will see exactly what happened to your body. Please leave it in the description box when you make it and drink it, or you can send the video, a picture of when you make it, to Chef Ricardo. Just go on my YouTube channel and you can send me through my email, chefricardo@hotmail.co.uk. That's my email address. You can send me the picture and I will post it on my Facebook like. I have a Facebook like page, right? Chef Ricardo Cooking. You can go there and you can tag me to your picture. Alright guys. Anyway, thank you so much. I'm just giving you some tips and ideas of how powerful the lemon and cucumber is good for our human being, good for our body, good for our system, as we eat all different kind of meat and all different kind of stuff, vegetable and all these things. This is help you to detox your body and clean out your immune system. Give it a try, give it a go, and leave your comments in the description box. One love from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel, and stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.